Hi guys! So it's been a while since you saw my face, but last week I went to the optician and checked my left eye, and they finally said that my eye is free from virus, so I can, wear my contact lenses again and everything. So you should be able to see me more often, like my face. So yeah. Anyhow, I got 3 packages today, but 2 are actually from one same order. So I'm going to unbox those things first. I will start off with the poster. I guess I bought a poster, and this is from K-pop Town. Yes. This poster. Wait a minute. Ta-da! And this is actually thicker than I thought it would be. It's so pretty. Yes, so this was pretty cheap, and it didn't add to the shipping fee, so I bought this one as well, along with this. So I'm going to open this one as well. I think you can already guess what it is. Well, it says in the title as well. I got a coupon as usual. But anyway, so I bought the Celebrity magazine, and this is the first edition, featuring EXO and other artists. And obviously I bought this one because of EXO. Let me just take the wrap away. So it's actually almost in mint condition, only that this corner got a bit, I don't know, something must have. Anyway, it's like this, and this actually feels like a photo book. So it's like that. And let me just find EXO in this one. I really like the pictures, especially Chris and Kai's picture. So I thought I would buy it. Page 166. They don't even have the page numbers. Wait a minute. Anyhow. I really like the material of the pages. They're not too thick, but they're actually pretty durable. So here's the group shot. Then there are a couple shots. First we have Tao and Chanel as rockers. then we have Lei and Wuhan, and it says, what is it? Rhythm and blues. And then we have Kyungsu and Love. And they're also rhythm and blues. Okay. And then there are some, I don't know if these are interviews or so, but Chris and Kai. So it says Jess. And here are the smaller pictures and their interview or something like that. Wow. And then we have another group shot and it says hip hop. Whoops, I just missed like 2 pages or 4 pages. Here are Beckham and Sam, and this is Electronica. And the smaller pictures of Beckham. And where is the? Oh, here. Okay. These are so cute because they have like blush on, so, and Korean traditional music. And the smaller picture. So that was the 2 things that I got from K-pop Town, and I'm also going to make another unboxing because I got another package. But yeah. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye!